Shopping at the Little Orange Barn in Bristow is about as local as you can get.
It is. It's all local. She works very hard at making sure that she provides stuff from the area. So that's what I like. I try to do as much local as I can.
It's the perfect place to find Oklahoma-grown gifts for yourself, family, or friends.
We want to have things that you can't get anywhere else.
Owners Marla and P.D. Woolery say in just minutes you can have a basket full of goodies.
You can just grab a little bit of everything, make your own basket.
That's what's great about it. I can call Marla and say, hey, I need a gift basket in 15 minutes, and swing by and she has it ready and we're out the door.
It's very unique, very local. It's neat to be able to say, yes, we provided it from Oklahoma.
The Bristow couple opened their shop in 2017. They started out by selling their own products. PD does woodworking, while crafts, candles, and baked goods are made by Marla.
She does custom candles, wax melts, wreaths. I've always liked tinkering with woodworking. My father did it, and I kind of learned from him.
Furniture, wood games like cornhole, and charcuterie boards. PD says you can order them plain or custom.
You can put your company's name on it, use it for advertising. You can put your name on it. Give it to people for Christmas, put their names on it.
Talk about local. All this wood is from right around Bristow. Each one of them a unique design, including this one he made for the crew here at Discover, Oklahoma, made out of black walnut.
Yeah, it's all local lumber. A lot of it from around Bristow, some of it from around surrounding communities.
The barn is also filled with products from other Oklahomans. The soups, dips, and spices are from Scott Farms in Piedmont.
We just did the cheesy baked potato, and I'm going to buy another one because my husband loved it. I'll probably be doing some of those for Christmas gifts.
The local honey from Ada.
He actually drives the honey up here every time we give him a call and say, we're getting low on honey. And then he picks up our sorghum for us as well, and that's in Talala.
Sip on some sweet treats from a fellow Bristow resident.
And she makes my coffee creamer bombs and also the hot chocolate bombs, which are very popular at Christmas and Valentine's Day.
This table full of Little Orange Barn labeled mason jars are gluten and preservative free. Find pickles, candied jalapenos, even barbecue sauce.
Chow chow and salsa. Our hot seller is peach salsa right now.
Yeah, I've tried almost everything in here probably at some point, and they're all delicious.
On Saturdays, Marla makes her Lob Tarts, short for Little Orange Barn Tart.
It's a baked pie with our fruit conserves inside, and then I make the homemade frosting that goes on top.
Aside from all the great local products, you'll find the store warm and welcoming.
We tried to create an environment that is homey, and they like to spend time in here and just kind of chill out and be able to find things that they can't find in a regular store.
In Bristow, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.